This is why you should never let your dog lick you. Please, leave us a comment after this video. It is always said that dog is the most loving and dedicated pet for human beings. Dogs act as a lifetime companions and make your home more fun. They provide unconditional love to you and your family members. Recent research has proved that the people who own a dog as a pet have less stress and anxiety. The lively nature of dog keep depression away and try to keep you happy all the time. You for sure share a lot of affection with your dog, but it can have an impact on your health. Let's check out different aspects of this topic. Dog saliva. It is often observed that dogs display their affection by licking your body. Many people think that dogs' saliva is healing in nature, which is a myth. Dogs have the high sense of smell, and thus they take follow-up of every place which feels yucky. In this course of investigation, dogs tend to stick their mouths and noses in all kinds of places like garbage, waste products, their bodies, other people's body and much more. Dogs' immune system is different than the human immune system. So, dogs are more bacterial resistant. Although they get in touch with all kind of infection, they don't fall sick easily. Whereas through the dog's saliva, this infection can pass on to us and we will not be able to handle it well. Thus, you can fall sick due to disease passed on by your dog's saliva. Direct mouth-to-mouth contact with your dog isn't good for either of you. Another big concern when you get mouth-to-mouth contact with your dog, some parasitic bacteria can make a way to your body. Capnocytophaga carnivorus is a typical bacterium found in the spit of cat and dog. When it gets inside a man, it can bring about extreme contamination, conceivably prompting sepsis, meningitis, and gangrene. Try not to give Rex a chance to lick the cut on your finger, or you may need to have it cut off. Ringworm is a growth known for its round patches that emit on the skin. It's regularly passed from your sweet doggy to you. Irritated and textured, it will spread if not treated. You can dispose of it by applying garlic or coconut water correctly to the skin. Pasteurella is another bacterium found in partner creatures, including canines. It can be exchanged by little fifi licking an open injury and can bring about you a certain disease. Once in a while spreading to joints, bones, and lymph hubs and showing in blood, urinary tract, and eye contaminations and additionally meningitis. Mmrsa is an acronym for methicillin-safe Staphylococcus aureus. By its moniker, we see that this bacterium in the staph family can bring about contamination that is exceedingly impervious to basic antimicrobials. This kind of disease is regularly contracted in doctors' facility and group settings in which there is skin-to-skin contact.
Please leave
A
us
study
a
distributed
comment.
by the
We will
American
try to
Society
answer
for
you as soon as
Microbiology
possible.
found that it can
Share this
likewise
video
be passed
and
amongst
subscribe to our
canines and
channel.
people, in both headings, using their agreeable kisses. Pooches in susceptible frameworks are better prepared to handle this staph strain than our own, and the results to us are serious disease joined by hot, painful, discharge-filled injuries. Like Mmrsa, the periodontal infection can be passed amongst mutts and people. While the pathogens contrast in the different species, they can be shared between the two. Nobody needs to kiss somebody with periodontal sickness. Dog's saliva isn't all bad. Apart from all these disadvantages of dog's saliva, research conducted by University of Arizona College of Medicine has shown that using dog's saliva one can treat the allergies and asthma in human. Also, the dog's saliva consists of probiotic compounds which boost the human immune system. Bottom line. So, the bottom line is that it can be dangerous if your dog licks on your wound or places where infection can spread quickly. You should avoid the mouth-to-mouth contact with your dog. However, some dogs are affectionate in nature. So, you can let your dog display the love. Just make sure you wash your hands, cheeks or places where your dog was licking you to keep your body safe from infection. Keep showering your love to your dog as they love you the most in this world.